Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Here I like to tell you about a consonant G. The G sound is from the consonant pairs group and it is called the voiced velar stop. It means that you use the back of the tongue to block airflow from the throat. So, how to pronounce the G sound? The G sound is made through the mouth and it is voice, which means that you vibrate your vocal cord to make the sound. It is divided by position of your tongue and it is a stop sound, which is a sound made by building up air pressure by stopping airflow and then releasing it. In this case, you stop the airflow between the middle of the tongue and the top of the mouth. To produce the sound, push the tongue forward so the middle curls up and touches the top of your mouth and blocks airflow. At the same time, create some air pressure by gently trying to breathe out. The sound is made by voicing out and releasing the pressure by dropping the tongue down, like G, 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 G. So the example like good, government, go, and agree, game, and girl. So that's all about consonant G. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.